So, in this vlog, I'll be talking about some of the lessons I learned from other teams in this class. And the first team I want to talk about is Provecho. And their idea is creating an Instagram platform, kind of, but except for food, for cooking. And what really stuck out to me is their marketing capabilities, how they just started with a Instagram, um, and a Facebook, and how they grew it so rapidly to like 1,000 people and such a big follower count, um, and how they're using merchandise to kind of grow it even more and gather awareness. And they're actually at the point where Ken has brought up the idea where they can monetize their creators, like the creators on their platform. That's going to be how they monetize creative revenue, create a business model, um, which I hadn't thought about, but it's like that's like YouTube. Like YouTube has a bunch of creators that drives the views. So one interesting implementation of a business model that I learned a lot from, and that's happening right in our class, which is really, really cool. Another idea is a team's idea is a team's idea towards tackling waste. And our team tried to tackle waste also. We ideated around trying to minimize waste in landfills and trying to align the waste management companies and the customers, so that align their incentives so they're both trying to minimize waste, but that wasn't very successful. But another way that this team is approaching it is reducing waste in a grocery store, which I think is a lot clever. It's a much more niche area, a lot more targeted, and that's why it could be successful, because they're trying to reduce the amount of waste within a grocery store. And something that could be really cool to implement is like dynamic pricing, where you are just constantly like updating the price of food, as an effort to like reduce the garbage, reduce the waste that the grocery store has to get rid of. So yeah, those are tool two, so Provecho, and then the team behind the waste, reducing waste, I thought, which I thought were really cool.